Jeep's flagship SUV is set to return to the Indian market by the 11th of November. Initially launched in India as a CBU, the Grand Cherokee was quite a capable SUV, but with its high price being its only kink in its armor. Fast forward nearly a decade later, and Jeep has plans to bring the Grand Cherokee back, but this time it's set to be locally assembled in India to keep the overall cost down, making it the fourth car in Jeep's lineup to be locally produced. Let's bring you up to speed with the India-bound Jeep Grand Cherokee. Starting with the design, which is as butch and in-your-face as it always was. The Grand Cherokee, being the flagship, has influenced the design of the Compass and the Meridian offered in India and donned a similar look. However, the rest of the SUV is a lot boxier and tall. Internationally, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is sold in two body styles. We in India will most likely get the standard size Jeep Grand Cherokee, not the long wheelbase version that's available internationally. The interior of the Jeep Grand Cherokee has seen a significant overhaul, with nearly every panel being replaced over the previous version. A new 10.1-inch touchscreen takes its place at the center console. Jeep will also offer a TFT display even for the co-driver to make accessing essential functions easier. The interior of the Grand Cherokee is heavily dressed with leather and soft-touch plastics and wood to make the cabin feel a lot more sturdier and upmarket than before. The all-new Jeep Grand Cherokee will likely be powered by the same petrol motor that powers the Jeep Wrangler. Power outputs are still uncertain, as Jeep could very well have the engine in a different state of tune. But one thing we are sure of is the 8-speed gearbox that will come mated to it. The Grand Cherokee is also expected to be incredibly capable off-road and comes with a dedicated 4-wheel drive system and different terrain modes and maps to play with. Prices will be announced on the 11th of November, and upon launch, the Grand Cherokee will go up against the rivals such as Mercedes-Benz GLE, the Land Rover Discovery and the BMW X5. Stay tuned to the TopGear India YouTube channel for further updates.